In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can set up a payment link clearly and confidently. This is useful if you want to collect payments for a product or service without building a full checkout page. A payment link gives you a quick, shareable way to get paid. To begin, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation for different tools and features. From that left menu, click on Payments. This will take you into the area where you can manage the different payment-related options inside your account. After that, move to the top menu and click on Payment Links. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing links that customers can use to pay you directly. Once you're in the payment links area, click on Create New Payment Link. This opens the setup screen where you'll build your new link. The first thing you'll need to do is select a product. Choose the product you want this payment link to be connected to. Be sure you pick the correct one, since this determines what the customer is paying for. If you have multiple products in your account, take a second to confirm the name before moving on. Next, select the available options for that payment link. These settings may affect how the link works or how the product is presented, so choose the options that match your intended offer. It's a good idea to review everything carefully here so the payment experience is accurate and smooth for the customer. After that, add a description. This is where you can provide a short explanation of what the customer is purchasing. Keep it simple, clear, and specific. A good description helps avoid confusion and makes the payment link feel more professional. Then move on to the pricing details. Here, you'll choose whether the payment is a one-time charge or a recurring subscription. This part is especially important, so make sure the pricing model matches your offer exactly. If needed, you can also upload an image. While optional, adding an image can make the payment link look more polished and help customers quickly recognize the product or service. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will create your payment link and make it ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment link in Gohighlevel. After saving, you can share that link with customers wherever you need, whether that's in messages, emails, or on a website.